In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix My Honor app not working. So if My Honor application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. You can also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for My Honor. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for My Honor and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now all the bugs should be fixed and the application should start working. If the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device and find the application for My Honor. Once you do that, long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info. Now in the App Info interface, find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now after the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. But if the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, the app will surely work. So that is how you fix My Honor app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.